limited, these things I see. A universe of possibilities here for me. I see you here. I feel your hand. Vast and mysterious is your plan. Oh, if all things start and end with you, then I can believe that dreams do come true. Dreams do come true.
Sight and Sound's production of Joseph is amazing.
Love the dancing, the sets, the costumes, the music.
Horses, donkeys, camels, llamas.
I felt like I was just transported back in time.
I liked it when Joseph flew into the sky.
It was fantastic. I absolutely recommend the show to everyone.
You have got to come and see Joseph.
Our most recent production and overwhelming audience favorites is the captivating, epic biblical adventure, Joseph. This amazing story of integrity and forgiveness has powerfully resonated with our patrons. Joseph beautifully captures the heart of our ministry, spectacular entertainment with the gospel message of hope. So come and take time to dream.